All right, guys, I got to admit I had very little faith in FundedNext. Now, that's for a myriad of reasons, but especially since all of the prop firms were pulling out of the U.S., pulling out of utilizing MT4 or anything that was MetaQuote. So, to my surprise, this has been the best experience that I've had with prop firms thus far. So I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing and how I handled the move from MT4 to MT5. And again, the only thing that pisses me off is I should have bought more challenges before they excluded us. And when I say us, I mean the United States from purchasing anymore. So as you can see here, guys, I am now dealing with the bank's money. My subscription refund was $41. I only paid I think $49 for a $6,000 challenge. I wish I would have went larger, but I lost so much money on people just taking our prop firm challenges away. And then, of course, I had some profit. So I'm up quite a bit, comparatively speaking. Comparatively speaking, I am up quite a bit. So again, thank you. I'm going to show you what I'm doing and what the future plans are now that I can't buy into buying more challenges. But before that, just as a quick reminder, guys, we are not financial advisor, at least I'm not, and this is not financial advice. I'm just sharing my journey to being profitable with trading with Forex EAs, Forex robots. And you know what our deal is. If you hadn't seen the other video, this is how we do our testing, trying to go from confusion to profitability. So let me show you where I am with this whole FundedNext thing. It's funny that the one account that I let go of and just really forgot about, I put a couple of EAs on there because, again, I was writing it off as a loss before anything was actually lost. So here's this account, guys. It's on the new growth next server. It's MT5, so they didn't have MT4. As you well know, if you follow me just a little bit, you know that most of my robots, just about all my robots, the ones that I buy direct and the ones that I have for testing, the open source ones or fixed ones, they're all, most of them, at least 90% of them are MT4, not MT5. So they're on the MT5 platform now. And I just attached this. This hadn't worked for me yet, but I just attached the Northeast Way MT5 platform on here because I've been getting some pretty good test results on this, like 3% a month, which is great with very minimal drawdown. So as you can see, I have a $6,000 funded account, and right now I'm right at the equity is $6,037, and I'm looking anywhere between $50 to $60, very conservatively, $50 to $60 a week on this. That would be fine with me. Again, after so many years of losing, I know to lower my expectations, and that's exactly what I've done, and it's working out for me. So what am I doing with all of these others? Did I use this EA, this Forex robot, to pass my challenge, to put me in profit? No. What I decided to do is put a Forex copy from my MT4 account with all the robots that I'm using. So this is what this looks like, guys. Where is it? Let me see. Here we go. Now look at these. Now, this is full disclosure. You see the EAs, the Forex robots that I'm using. Now, this is a CoinEx demo account that I'm trading from, but again, it's forwarding to my FundedNext account. That's just what I'm doing. I tested all these. I back tested them. I forward tested them. So I still have a $200 maximum loss. So this is one of the most important EAs or robots that I think that a trader can use, whether you're doing position trading, I don't care what kind of trading you're doing. You should have some sort of equity stop loss in place. So as you can see here, I have that one on this chart, which is the US yen. And of course, then I have my Friday Pro, which is a very conservative. I think it trades like once a week. So I have my Friday Pro. What's more important than the EAs and the robot, I've said this repeatedly, is the set file. How are you utilizing the money management, the lot sizes, frequency of trading, risk parameters? Those things are more important, because I'm telling you guys, you can find these EAs probably anywhere. But even the vendor, they typically adjust the risk factors. It seems like it's a month, if not a day-to-day or week-to-week basis. So I have two Friday Pros on US Japanese and pound Japanese, and then I'm using boring pips, which they trade at least 3 pairs, but I've only put it on 1, and I just forward that to my FundedNext account, which is right here. So far so good. Again, in our Patreon group, if you want to test these EAs, you're more than welcome to do it. The more the merrier. Right now, that's all I have in the membership session, are some of the EAs that you can, well, access to the EAs that you can actually test alongside me. So go out there and make some real money, guys. I just want to give you that. And as I said before, FundedNext, the one that I had the least faith in, is the one that actually surprised me and put me into profit. I'm trading with the bank's money right now. Go out there and make some real money.